How to reduce ping in Counter-Strike 2. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce high ping in Counter-Strike 2. And yes, the problem might actually be your storage. So starting off, the first thing you should do is restart your home network. Just unplug the power cable from your router or modem for around 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This simple step can clear out connection issues. Next, always try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. An Ethernet cable gives you a much faster and more stable connection, which is crucial for online games like Counter-Strike 2. Quit the CS2 game. Now, a lot of people think ping only comes from internet issues, but if your storage is almost full or too slow, it can cause your game to freeze, stutter, or even delay network data, which means higher ping and a bad experience. So the first thing you want to do is check your available storage by going here to my computer and check local drive C. Then head over to the startup menu. Then go to settings. Here in settings, go to the installed apps. There appears the list. From the list, delete the unusual or unused apps that are not in use NAD using your space. And then go to start menu. Type run. Then type temp in the type box and hit enter. Now delete the files. It also helps to reduce the space in your PC. So to summarize, clean up your storage, move the game to an SSD, and make sure your disk isn't maxed out in the background. That's it. If this helped you reduce ping in CS2, hit that like button, drop a comment if you need help, and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.